Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. It's Bilal Khalid. Guys, right now I have Canon TS3440 printer. Today I'm going to teach you how to enable Wi-Fi direct and how you can print the document through your smartphone directly. So stay with me and watch this video to learn how to use this printer through your mobile. This is the dashboard, guys, and this is in ready state now. This is the button. You can see, you can find the button of smartphone. You have to just press this button for once. You will find a sign over here, but a printer is initializing kind of something. Okay, now the sign appeared of smartphone. It means that Wi-Fi direct is enabled. Okay, if we will search in our smartphone the network name to make sure that is it showing here or not, Wi-Fi, and you can see TS3440, this series has appeared, and this is password protected. What is the password of this network? There are two ways to get the password. First way is the serial number of the printer. Behind is sticker over there. This is the password. Okay, if you are not able to read that sticker or stolen or removed sticker, press the I button. It will print for you information page that is containing all information about your printer, including the wireless password. Look, it's appeared first page. The password is on the second page. Just hold on. Here we go. And viewers, this is the password. This is the network name, SSID, the TS3440 series, and AGSN. So let's connect with this network using this password and see how to print the documents. AGSN, G, all capitals, SN 29958 29958. Press join. It's getting connected, and you can see the right arrow sign is appeared, and it's written here no internet connections. Don't worry about it. This printer is connected with our smartphone directly, so no need to appear here the internet connection. Now I will go straight away to my photos in my mobile phone. Let's see it's print without application or not. If I will go to my pictures, here we go. This is picture. I will press this button, go up, and I will click on print. It's showing here no printer selected, so I will click on it and find it's appeared here TS3400. Click on it and leave the other settings as it is. Press print. While you press the print, you will start see that it's initializing. Printer is printing the page, and it will now take the paper, and you can see it's getting printing the documents from our smartphone. I gave the command through my photo, so that's why it will print in a bit time. If you will print any documents, PDF or other documents, it will print fast, because photo is take a little longer than PDF. I will press cancel button over here to reduce the video size and see it's print the document. This was the method in TS3440 printer to get connected with your smartphone directly, and how can you print the password. If you have any other question regarding this printer or any other printer, you can ask down in the comments. I will reply your questions. Thank you for watching. All the best.